James Street. This guy, you know.
You're breaking everything.
Go east, there's one called Bleecker.
Where you coming from?
Listen, you've been there before though.
Bro.
Nah, you've been there before though, so that don't really count though. This is meant to be everyone's favorite burger, which is the lamb shank, yeah?
Lamb shank, feta cheese. You've got loads of different things in there. Talk to them, Henry.
What are we doing today?
We're gonna go around, taste some good burgers.
But guess what? We came out in this weather with this freezing cold. I don't know if it's a good idea. This shit is like a fridge lamp, bro.
Look at this.
It's freezing.
What are you saying? You ready?
I'm ready, let's go.
Why do I feel like my bike is funny though?
Your bike is always funny. You always like to pick the funny ones. The one that I think we should go to first is patty and bun. No first behavior.
These guys don't respect the rules of the road. You got cars driving behind them, man, like they're kings and shit.
We're gonna do my tax overnight.
So we got Joe and the Juice to my right. Wigmore Street connecting to James Street.
Here we are, patty and bun.
Here we are, patty and bun.
Bro, I'm telling you, you're gonna try it today. One of the best burgers you've ever had.
Yeah. Have you had it before?
Nah. So you try it.
He hasn't had it before. We're gonna try it. James Street. This guy, you know.
You're breaking everything.
Bro,
Huh?
I'm gonna shout Boris, you know.
Bro, where you coming from?
As you can see,
But
there's no one in there. The lights are on.
Are they open?
Yay. Hello.
Intruders. Hello. So what's the menu saying? Hold on,
We've got this Arigold one that bangs. The lamb shank is crazy. It's got lamb patty, coriander, chili, lettuce. Yeah, we're gonna do all burgers. We're gonna just film a few of them. We're gonna do honest. We're gonna do
Go east, there's one called Bleecker.
Bleecker. That's the one that we had. We had Bleecker. Bleecker is crazy. Yeah, it's Spitalfields. The one with they had like a blue cheese burger. Was crazy. Yeah. What's your favorite burger from Patty and Bun?
Lamb shank, man.
Lamb shank, right? That's the one I've been telling them about.
Do we beef and chicken?
Our burger's ready. Yes.
Bro.
Alright. Alright, what's this?
That looks like the
Oh, that's
vegan
plant-based though,
one.
right?
That's
a plant-based burger.
Yeah. We'll leave that to last.
Yeah. Nah, I'll fuck with a plant-based burger though. What's this guy taking his time? Oh, bust it open, brother.
Yeah, you
Pause. This looks banging though. I can't even lie. Cooked.
Yep.
All
Medium.
right. Medium.
Juicy.
Juicy.
There you go.
Alright. What do you think?
What's it saying, Mo?
I can't even talk, bro. It's just nice.
Yeah,
I'm
nice,
hungry,
yeah?
but this tastes so good.
Okay, out of 10, what are you gonna give it?
Give it an 8.
8, yeah? Not bad. Listen, you've been there before though. Nah, you've been there before though, so that don't really count though, does it? It don't count, does it?
No.
Nah, you've been there before.
It never disappoints. Every time I come, it's just as good. The sauce is banging. The burger, the bun, everything. Talk to them, Henry.
I gotta be honest, this bangs.
It's a serious burger.
Yeah. Out of 10? Hey, I'll shoot for a 7.
You for 7, yeah?
For 7. Wait till you try the other one.
Number 2.
We're talking lamb. Not everywhere does lamb burgers.
Alright, so bear in mind, this is the one these guys say that is the best. The guy that worked there say that's his favorite. Says that's his favorite. So I'm expecting like a 10 out of 10.
Burger.
Yeah, it looks
That's
complex.
Aubergine. You've got feta cheese. You've got loads of different things in there.
This is meant to be everyone's favorite burger, which is the lamb shank, yeah?
Lamb shank.
Alright.
That's it. Right? You need at least a couple of bites to appreciate this.
You know what? The first one's still my favorite.
Have another bite because there's different bits in every bite.
This bangs, but the first one's still my favorite.
There we go.
There we go.
All right.
What do you think, Mo?
Good.
Huh?
Got different type of flavor going on in your mouth. But I prefer the first one. It had simple flavor.
Boom, that's what I'm saying.
This one's got too much flavor on it. You don't know whether you want to taste the meat or the other thing that's going on, aubergines and some cheese.
Yeah, it's an
complex.
acquired taste. Yeah, it's quite complex, isn't it? Yeah.
I have to say, today, this one doesn't taste like it usually does. I don't know why.
Yeah?
But even for me today, the first one tastes better.
The first one, yeah? Alright, we are still saying the first one. We've got one more burger left, which is the plant-based burger. I know you like to see it. Alright, so we've got a plant-based burger. This is for all you vegans, vegetarians.
This is the Smoky Robinson.
Would you actually think that a plant-based burger will actually give you this look? This texture? It equally looks as delicious as the other two though.
Exactly.
No. Before you eat that, the second one, what do you rate out of 10?
6.
6 out of 10, yeah? And the first one for you was 8?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Me, I'd say the first one is 8.5.
Yeah.
And the second one, today, I can't rate it highly. I've got to go with 6 as well.
Alright, 6 as well. Alright, cool. Drum roll!
I'm not a fan of plant-based stuff. To be honest with you, I'm
fair enough.
But first time
Can you
trying
tell
this.
it's plant-based?
No, you
It
don't.
tastes like meat.
Just like meat, but you can still taste it. It's not a great meat taste. You get it?
Right, yeah.
I don't know what patty they use because I had the Beyond Burger before, and that tastes very close to meat. No, the texture is a bit mushier than meat, if that makes sense.
Mushy. Mo says it's gluey.
Gluey, and it's like
Yeah.
I don't know how to describe it, to be honest with you, bro.
Like a combination of like different things been stuck together though. And just this sauce that you can taste, innit?
Yeah.
You can't really taste the flavors coming from
there's no
whatever you
meat.
use. Yeah.
So
Fuck it. I rate this one a 4. First one 7.
yeah,
Second one a 5.
Henry's a harsh marker. You gotta leave some room for the next time to play.
for the next one. Sure.
Alright, cool.
Outside,
Now we're
honest
outside
burger.
Honest Burgers. Alright, so this is Honest Burgers. Beef, chicken, plant-based. The first one was patty and bun. Second one is Honest Burger. Mo didn't want the plant-based, but...
Yo, alright, check. We're gonna ask him again though
Ask
if he
him
likes
again.
it. Let's watch it. Listen to
Mo,
this guy again.
are you getting the plant-based?
Plant-based, bro.
Mo, you said leave the plant-based.
Nah, fam. Plant-based, nah, it's not for me, bro.
We tried plant-based and I don't know. Sorry, you might like it, man. Listen.
I might as well start eating trees, bro.
Nah, listen. I fuck with plant-based.
Plant-based is good, man.
I don't really like eating plant stuff, you know. I feel like I'm back in Africa climbing trees and eating them leaves in it. Not on that.
We at Paddington Street. We've been waiting for a minute right now, and to be honest with you,
2 or 3 minutes.
2 or 3 minutes.
Yep, which means 5 or 6 minutes.
Yep.
He tried his best to not destroy the presentation.
Okay, you tried it 3, yeah?
Yeah, he tried his best.
All right. Yo, this drips in your mouth. Pause. Trust me, bang him. Tastes really nice. The flavor's coming out. The meat is cooked properly. Just melts in your mouth, man. All right, so
right.
who's got the next go?
That's what's up.
Your turn now. Yeah.
That, so sweet with the beef.
Yeah, taste to it. And on to you, Mo.
It's cooked really nice as well.
Juicy
no blood on it,
Yeah.
and it's not overcooked. It's medium rare. It's perfectly done.
Yeah, nice,
Like,
isn't it?
I'm feeling the vibe of this burger.
Yeah, nice, man.
Yeah. I reckon this plant-based is gonna make Mo actually say he likes
It's gonna
plant.
make him convert, yeah?
Alright, so this is the plant-based.
All right.
I didn't know all of them come with chips. That's
Yeah,
so much
man.
chips,
I'm
bro.
allowed the chip stuff. We want to convert Mo to a plant-based.
Oh, I
Are
think
you sure this
this.
is plant-based?
I think this is using Beyond Burger
Beyond-
because the patty.
Well,
looks
Beyond
mad.
Meat.
Beyond Meat.
Yeah. Mo is trying out a plant-based burger now.
Just like meat, bro. Doesn't taste
Really?
like plant at all.
I
Honestly.
think we got one here, you know. Hey, I think we got one
I told
here.
you, bro.
All right, so Mo, what you think, you know?
You know what? It's got good moisture. As you can see, the little flavours on top. Don't know if they use mustard, I think so. And it's quite nice. And it's got I think sweet onions, some gherkin.
So you're a convert now.
Yeah, man, I'm down with this one.
So wait. So wait. So you eat plant-based from now on?
Not from now on. I can eat it from here, you know.
All right. So from Honest Burger, yeah.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
All right.
I'll give it a
Go.
They're lying, bro. This is meat.
Yeah.
This is meat,
like
bro.
meat, bro.
I want you to try this shit because this is meat. This is not plant-based.
The one I had earlier,
mad. This
that
is
was
definitely
really
good.
plant. But this one here, nah, I don't believe it's not meat.
I reckon if you had this one and you didn't know and I didn't tell you,
You think it's meat?
you think it's meat. But try it anyway.
Look,
Yeah.
hands down, you think it's meat.
If I was vegan, I'd be very happy with that.
Yeah.
Which one banged
To
the
be
most?
fair,
Yeah.
the patty and bun, hands up, the burgers were just amazing.
So you like patty and bun more?
Much
So
better.
you prefer patty and bun?
Which one? The first burger?
The first burger that
The
I had,
Arigold.
yeah, it's classic, smooth,
Yeah.
simple, but it hit the right spot.
Alright, for me, definitely. I mean, I was the one that said let's go to patty and bun, but for me, I think Honest Burger today
Yeah.
took it. Especially the first burger that we just had. I think is the cheese
Yeah.
from Honest Burger. That bags it. And the plant-based was way better than the other plant-based. So
Yeah.
for
I
me,
agree.
Honest Burger wins.
You Honest Burger.
Honest Burger takes it.
You
Me and patty and bun.
patty and bun, yeah.
And then I think
You Honest
you got the
Burger.
deciding vote.
I'll say hands down, patty and bun, the first burger, slap different. As soon as I tasted that, I was like, raw. We're comparing plant-based burgers. I say this one, hands down.
Yep.
But for me, patty and bun.
Yeah.
Patty and bun.
Next time, we're gonna be doing 2 more burger places.